Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule posts on your Facebook page. Let's get started. Firstly, make sure you're logged into your Facebook page, then scroll down and click here. Then click on Meta Business Suite. It's going to take you here. Make sure you click on Content. That's going to be on the left side. Then click on Create Post. Here you're gonna post whatever you would want to post, a picture, a video, or maybe just like a text. Then scroll down and turn this one on so you can choose the time that you want to schedule this post for. Here the day and here the hour and the minute. Once you finish, just click on schedule. This is how you can schedule posts on your Facebook page. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. See you next video.